Alright, this is another video for the HDB 68 from Umarex T4E, and this is a video about I did a barrel swap. The factory barrels, and I believe these Umarex 68 caliber, this one and the revolver, they're 687, and this barrel here is more for the Canada riot balls. So as you can see it in there, it's the silvery one, and it's a 683 inner diameter. So that's apparently what the Canada riot balls diameter are. So it should be a nice tight fit. Like this one here, we got the CO2 revolver. I put a barrel in that too, and just with HP, I got a 20 dual jump compared to the factory barrel. So we're gonna see what happens with this one now, and if that clear O-ring doesn't blow out on me yet. I'm waiting for it to blow out so I can replace it with the black one, but so far it's holding up pretty good. Yeah, I'm gonna be testing out the Canada riot balls today, the 9.9 and the 4 grammers, just for power. And I also got followed by 2 aluminum balls from Home Defense 24. They seem, all these are 683, these balls, and they fit the barrel nice and snug, and they won't roll out, and you can shoot them out like a blowgun though. So let me just get this set up here. Okay. I'll shut this lid here. Oh, I gotta turn on the chronograph. Okay. Slide check. There we go. This is the 9.9 Canada riot ball first. $378. $399. And now for the 4 gram. $635. Wow. And here's another 4 gram. Here's an alloy ball. $473. Jesus. Another alloy ball. $462. All right, slide check off. And we're gassed. Wow, those are some pretty great numbers, I'm pretty sure, but yeah, I'm gonna run those and I'll get the video up and going soon here. Have a good one, guys, as always.